Hello, my name is Lucero Otero, and this is my presentation for my career development in psychology class. And the topic is major career and plan ideas. First, I'm gonna start showing a picture of me, and now we can start. I choose the career in crime analysis. This is focused in the forensic psychologist field. The description of the job is analyzing criminals to determine causes and prevent crime, diagnose the nature of a crime and the issues of it. The duties of this work is collection, analysis, interpretation, and evaluation of data and evidence, effective use of the various resources available as technology, police reports, other professionals in the field, etc. Also, finally, is to produce reports based on the collected and analyzed data. Mm, the required education for this career is just based in obtaining a bachelor's degree, whether it's in criminal justice, criminology, or related to other fields as psychology or sociology. I personally am majoring in psychology, and since I'm doing a bachelor's degree, during the next 4 years, I fit in the required education. Why psychology? Well, psychology has been part of my life since I was very young. My uncle and my mother, but two of my uncles and my mother were psychologists or psychology related fields, and this was a great part of my life. Like I will be always in the meetings with another professionals in the field, and I always felt part of that vibe. Um, I I I honestly I am not a professional yet, but I learned a lot of things from those experiences. Today when I'm studying psychology, I feel like I am in home. Like it suits me. And I enjoy the the new knowledge I'm obtaining. Um, And during the chapter 13 of the book, we read why psychology was a major that many people choose. And I relate to this in the way that I'm doing psychology, yet knowing that my career goals are focused on the criminal justice field. And this is because um, I know that psychology is preparing me to be well trained and skilled person, professional, and it's helping me to develop the critical thinking skills I'm gonna need, whether in the criminal justice field or in another field. And I think this will match perfectly for the criminal justice career that I'm looking for. Okay, thank you for listening.